If you've ever wanted to use a flashlight or a torch, but you just don't have enough arms, then I've got the solution for you. This is a Beanie hat. It actually has an integrated LED light. You'd assume a Beanie hat would come in quite a flat package, but it actually comes in this nice little box. So let's take a look. So in the box we have a USB cable. So it's quite a cool cable because it doesn't tangle up. So let's take a look at the instructions. LED Beanie. So it all seems to make sense. Oh, we've got red and blue lights as well. So let's take a look at the Beanie hat. Here is the hat itself. Now, as you can see, it has this really nice module which is built into the front of the hat. So it looks like it's got 5 different LEDs. It has a really nice stripy pattern around the light and this nice design at the top. So the material is 100% acrylic. To turn it on, you just press the button in the middle. Wow, that is bright. If it flickers in the camera, it's my camera, not in real life. It doesn't flicker in real life. Press it again, and then you've got full brightness. Look how bright that is. That is crazy bright. Press it a third time, and you have this funky red and blue pattern. That's cool. And then you press it a final time and it's off. So without further ado, let's try it on. So it has a really nice fit. It's not tight in the slightest. It's actually really nice and comfortable. It's slightly thin. It's not the thickest hat in the world. For UK conditions, it doesn't get quite that extremely cold. So let's see if I can navigate the button. Yeah, that works fine. The actual lens is smooth, and then you feel the rubberized button. It's actually really easy to navigate. So I'll try this in darkness because I've got all the bright studio lights on. But you should be able to tell that this is actually really nice and bright. This is actually a really generous size. So if you do have a slightly larger head, as you can tell, there's still plenty of room in there. And it looks good as well. You could wear it just a little bit looser if you wanted to, a bit more casual. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go outside. And as you can see, it's working very nicely. So this is just on the first brightness setting. And then this is even brighter. So outside at the moment, as you can tell, it's really dark. You cannot see a thing. So let's go ahead and switch the LED Beanie on. There we go. Look how much that's illuminating the wall. Apologies, the plants are probably looking a little bit thin. It's autumn. Fits very nicely. It's actually nice and warm as well. It is slightly raining at the moment. I'll cover the light up. And look at that. Bam! It's just a really nice wide beam of light. Please note that the following footage may contain flashing images. I've now turned off the lights in the TechBaffle studio. Here's the first light setting. The flickering is due to my camera not visible in real life. The second light setting. Wow, look how well it's lit up the studio. And finally, the emergency light. So that actually worked impressively well. Considering it is built into the hat, it works really nicely, and the fact that you've got a couple of light options means that you can have it on a slightly dimmer or a brighter setting depending on your situation. So, you may be wondering how you charge your LED Beanie hat. Now, this light module is actually removable. So you just pull this rubber ring around the edge, like so, and it just pops out. This actually is an added bonus because you can actually use this as a separate flashlight or torch. So it comes with this really nice flat USB cable, easy to take with you. So you plug this into the micro USB socket, and then you can plug it into your power bank or your wall outlet. It can work with any 5-volt phone charger. It has a really nice red LED status light, and then to put the LED light back into your hat, all you have to do is stretch the rubber outside, and then it just pops into place. And it means that it's not only easy to charge, you can actually wash it as well. A big thanks to the Amazon seller for sending this in to review. As always, my reviews are impartial. This 5 LED Beanie hat provides a great way to see at night. The hat is nicely designed and has a generous fit. The LED module is also bright and perfect for walking in dark environments. Charging the light module can be a bit tricky, as it's a bit fiddly to remove. The hat could also be a bit thicker for cold nights, but is fine for mild winters. If you're walking at night, perhaps walking the dog, then this 5 LED Beanie hat is a comfortable choice. This hat would also be ideal as a gift. Overall, this 5 LED Beanie hat gets a TechBaffle rating of 4 stars. Check the Amazon links in the description. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat and TikTok. Follow me at TechBaffle. For the latest, head over to techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.